Hello, we're going to look at 3 short videos on writing and solving equations, lesson 2. In this lesson, we'll face problems that deal with age, that calculate average using algebra, and geometry questions. We'll look at each in short videos. The goal for all of these questions is for you to use a variable for the thing that you know nothing about in order to come up with the solution. In this question on page 275, it's an age question. A mother is 3 times as old as her daughter. In 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 68. How old is the mother? So we know that the mother is 3 times as old as the daughter. So we know something about the mom, but we don't know anything about the daughter. So let's create our list. We're going to have mom and daughter is X. And mom is 3 times as old as the daughter. Mom is 3X. Now the question is saying in 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 68. So we're going to be adding their ages together, but not for now, for 6 years from now. So what we need to do is we need to add 6 to each of their ages before we go ahead and make the equation. Now we can take mom, 3x plus 6, 3 times the daughter in 6 years, and we can add that to the daughter, who is x, and in 6 years from now she's x plus 6. We can clear our brackets and combine our like terms. So we're going to put our like terms together. But I forgot here, I'm sorry, equals 68. So in 6 years, the sum of their ages will be 68. Okay, now we're ready to combine our like terms. So we have 3x plus x, and that's 4x. And then we're going to have 6 plus 6 for our constants. So 4x plus 12 is equal to 68. And now we can solve this equation for x. We're going to subtract 12 from both sides, canceling. 4x is equal to 56. And then we can now do our division step. We're going to divide by 4. So x is equal to 14. Now remember, we need to go back and answer the question, how old is the mother? Well, x is the daughter, and this is the daughter right now today. In 6 years, the daughter will be 20. Mom is 3x, so she's going to be 3 times 14 right now. And so mom is 42. And so we can write that answer down. Mom is 42. Let's try number 1 on page 279. Feel free to pause the video, try it on your own, and check the solution if you need to. So number 1 says Darren is 16 years older than Corey. The sum of their ages is 46. How old is each person? So we have 2 people. We have Darren and we have Corey. Darren is 16 years older than Corey. So we don't know about Corey, so he is X. But we do know that Darren is Corey plus 16 because Darren is older. So we're going to write down X plus 16. Now this question doesn't talk about future time, like the mom and the daughter, or past time, which we'll see in some of the other questions. And if you're looking for the past, you would need subtraction. Here, we're just looking at their ages today, and we see that the sum of their ages is 46. So we're going to take Darren plus Corey equals 46. And now we can combine our like terms. So we can put our x's together. That makes 2x plus 16, we have only the one constant, is equal to 46. And now we have a two-step equation that we can easily solve. Through our steps, we're going to subtract, and then we're going to divide, and we will come to the solution of x equaling 15. We go back to our initial plan up at the top so that we can determine their ages easily. X is Corey, so Corey is 15, and x plus 16 is Darren. So we're going to take 15 plus 16, which is 31. So Darren is 31 years old. And to test this, we can add these two answers. 15 plus 31 does indeed make 46, so we know we have the correct solution.